The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.
This show is proudly sponsored by coinspot.com.au, with the largest range of cryptocurrencies anywhere in the Australian market. With an updated verification process, you can now be verified using only your driver's license or passport within seconds. You can instantly deposit funds and instantly start buying and selling your favorite cryptocurrencies in under 5 minutes. CoinSpot are giving away $10 worth of free Bitcoin for each verified user once they make their first deposit. Just go to coinspot.com.au/BTC123. Hello everybody and welcome to the Trader Cobb Crypto Show. It's a wonderful Friday, Easter Friday here in beautiful Sydney, Australia, and I am in the office. Why? Because I love what I do. But no, really, seriously, I do. And secondly, you know what? You guys need your ears filled with my content each morning. You're used to it. It's part of your routine. And I'm certainly not going to let you down at this point, ladies and gentlemen. And what did we see over the last 24 hours? A continuation of buying, albeit quite yawn-inducing. Very slow indeed. We're sitting at $5,325 on the BTC USD pair, and it's just grinding away. It is just literally grinding away. But it's okay. You know, we're grinding high. We're sitting at that 53 handle. We've not seen much action in the last 2 days, but that's okay. We are slowly moving to the upside. I am still waiting for that decent push higher to break out through 5,400 and to see further gains. Might have to wait a bit longer while I look at things. But with that being said, it's a hell of a lot better than bad. That's for damn sure. Now, I'm going to walk you through just quickly having a look at some of the news on this wonderful Good Friday. Okay, somebody's come out and said, no, Bitcoin won't take 22 years to pass $20,000 again. I don't know where the 22-year mark comes from. I have no idea. It seems very strange, and I'm moving right along. Bitcoin fees jump to nearly 1-year highs. But why? We got Bitcoin price indicator turns bullish. Who cares? Looking on the venture capital cryptocurrency, because that's one of the news searches I have in Google. Big corporate banks back crypto plumbing despite currency caution. I'm not sure what that means, but that's fine. Coinbase generated $520 million in revenue last year. Okay, that's good. On against an $8 billion valuation, I think it was at one point. HTC executives launching $50 million VC fund for blockchain startups. Good, I might put my hand up for that. Mind you, I'm not really a blockchain startup. Rakuten, pretty interesting name. Rakuten Exchange could push Amazon to accept cryptocurrency. Look, I don't care who pushes it. Let's just get it in there. Binance reveals timeline for the BNB cryptocurrencies move off Ethereum. And we've got Bitcoin bulls may have blah, blah, blah. Nope, not interested in that. Japan ramps up scrutiny on crypto exchanges. Cold wallets, 3 of South Korea's top exchanges post losses in 2018, and that comes as no surprise. A cartoon space cat demonstrates why Wall Street is skeptical of crypto exchanges. Yawn. Okay, so there you go. What you do with that news right now, what am I going to do? I'm going to hit delete because there's nothing in there that I really want to go through and monitor. Now, moving right along. Bitcoin sitting at 53.25, up 1.35%. Ethereum has had a pretty decent day yesterday by all accounts. It certainly did push up through the highs that I had taken my trade on, and here's my frustration. Bluetooth cancelled. My little Bluetooth machine here. There we go. I've just turned that off so it doesn't just shout at me and scare me anymore. Look, basically looking at the Ethereum chart, I mean, I got long. The Bitfinex chart, that was a great little cradle trade there. I actually got filled on BitMEX. Yes, I was trying to get a little bit more leverage. And now it's into the profit zone after I got stopped out. Yes, I got stopped out. I am not in that trade. But the trend on the 4-hour time frame is starting to look quite tasty indeed. And it is one of the, actually the 2 and the 4 hour as well. It's one of the charts that I will be keeping my left eye on throughout the Easter period, because I'm not going to be working full-time the whole way through. I am going to take some time out, but I will be sniffing around, keeping an eye on the market. Ethereum currently up 4.57% at 175 USD. EOS still sitting hunched sideways, looking a little bit boring, consolidating with higher lows, getting ready for a break, perhaps to the upside, and hopefully a smash through that $6 mark, which does sit as resistance, with $5 being support, but there's nothing there for me of real interest right now. Stellar is holding again, up 1 point. So EOS is up 1.09% at 11.9 cents. We've got EOS is up 1.09% at $5.53. Stellar Lumens is up 1.28% at 11.9 cents. And with Stellar, I mean, we've got this 2-day candle right in that smack bang in that buy zone, looking really, really nice. As a matter of fact, this trend does, if it was to continue, look very, very, very beautiful indeed. A little bit of resistance up around that 18-cent mark, but I can stomach that. I got a pretty good stomach for that sort of stuff. So looking quite nice. Just going to have to wait and see what it does. Nothing there short to medium term for me right now. Ripple, it is currently up 0.24% after pushing up into that 35 cent resistance I've been talking of for quite some time. Knocked on the door, pulled back again. This is why we use support and resistance, ladies and gentlemen. We're nothing there for me right now. Even though on the 4 hour there's a nice little cradle candle, there is resistance ahead. Litecoin sitting up 4.36% again, one of the top performers in the top 10. We're going to get to the big dog top performer in just a moment. But Litecoin, look, it's sitting right in the sweet spot. I like the look of this chart. It's a fantastic looking daily trend. There's nothing for me to be trading just yet, although we do have on the 4 hour 2 tests of resistance. Well, it's not perfect, around 85.20. Nothing there for me yet, but again, another market in the top 10 I'll be keeping an eye on, sitting at $83.14. Bitcoin Cash sideways, looking very average, down 0.78, sitting at 309. Binance, the big dog, shoots off once again, pushing to higher highs against dollar Tether, sitting up 12% at $21.85. Now with this, ladies and gentlemen, with this, I will be now, since it's pushed on quite well, looking for opportunities for trades to the upside. Yes, I need to have a pullback. Yes, I'm patiently waiting. Yes, the daily is divergent. But with this momentum comes potential. And with that potential, I will be sniffing around like a dog at the dinner table. Rightio, on a Tron. Tron is doing very little, looking good on the daily and the 2-day as well. It's up 1.34%, sitting at 2.7 cents. And finally, on my radar in the top 10 is Cardano. It's down 1.29%, sitting at 8.1 cents. Ladies and gentlemen, I have a free scan for all of you. You will be getting access to my live trading floor and VIP scans on Monday. That is Easter Monday. That is coming up. The only way for you to do this is to go to tradercobb.com, scroll down, register for the free bi-weekly video newsletter, because that is where you'll get the link. It is once again free. You are not having to pay anything. 90% of the content I put out is free. If you want more, then you will buy it. That's the way we operate, and I hope you're cool with that, because if you're not, well, I'm sorry, there's only so much time that I can give without getting some money back. Have a great Easter, guys. I will speak to you on Monday. Get on, register, and let's have you come through that scan with me. Bye for now. This show is proudly sponsored by coinspot.com.au, with the largest range of cryptocurrencies anywhere in the Australian market. With an updated verification process, you can now be verified using only your driver's license or passport within seconds. You can instantly deposit funds and instantly start buying and selling your favorite cryptocurrencies in under 5 minutes. CoinSpot are giving away $10 worth of free Bitcoin for each verified user once they make their first deposit. Just go to coinspot.com.au/BTC123. Views are of the advertiser, not Trader Cobb or the audio presenter.